So anyway, right now what we are looking at on our satellite radar imagery is going to be a nice stationary boundary. That is a good sign. That says, hey, we've got a chance for some rising air, some merging wind. You can kind of see it. It's not a strong wind though, and it's not a whole lot of convection taking place, but we have seen a few spotty showers near Kingsville and off toward Fremont and down toward Rivera. So that has been off and on throughout the morning, a little bit of sprinkle here or there. In the wake of this boundary, mostly where we're getting an additional boost of lift coming from the mountains, the Sierra Madres in Mexico, that's where we will be watching for thunderstorm development coming up late this afternoon and evening. Then those storms may move into areas of South Texas. But for now, high pressure dominating most of the Lone Star State, but there's change also coming into Memorial Day weekend. We'll get to that in just a second. But right now, we're taking a look at our severe weather risk for Wednesday. There is a marginal level 1 risk for a chance of strong to severe thunderstorms across South Texas, specifically along the Rio Grande Valley. However, Jim Hogg, Brooks, and Kennedy County are included in that marginal risk. So we will be watching for the chance of storms then further north into the Red River Valley, West Texas area, and Thursday, even north of there, Oklahoma, and into Kansas on Friday. Here's the rain. The best rain opportunity for Texas is across North Texas, but we are not in the zero. We are not gray. We have some color, which does mean Corpus Christi and the coastal bend may see roughly 1/4 of an inch to a 1/2 an inch of rain over the upcoming week. Now, I think more of that rain may be coming Monday into Tuesday, but a chance we see a little bit of that rain today. As far as Memorial Day weekend, as I mentioned, this is when I expect our best chance of rain to start to go up. There's another front on the way that's going to impact us during the day on Monday, but start to provide our rain chances likely increasing into the afternoon and evening. So 91 degrees will be our high temperature, but it will be falling, and we are looking at winds out of the east-southeast, 10 to 25 miles per hour, pretty predominantly south-southeast winds, up to 35 miles per hour. So if you're gonna be boating, watch out. Conditions are going to be fairly windy over the long holiday weekend. Now let's talk rain. There's a cold front that stalls. This is that stationary boundary I just showed you. It's going to lift back north more so as the warm front. But as it does so, those storms that form in the mountains, they're going to be riding into the Rio Grande Valley, and they're going to provide a chance for some hail and some high wind gusts. This doesn't look like an overly obvious tornado threat, but hail and high wind is something we'll have to watch out for. Now, with that being said, it looks like a lot of the energy is right along the Rio Grande and south of there into Mexico. But we will have to watch out for Hebbronville potentially seeing some of the worst conditions, and then possibly into Brooks County as well. This boundary stays to our north. It's going to hang out to our north. It's not going to cause much of an issue the rest of the week. We're trending fairly dry until the next cold front starts to move south. This one is what's going to bring us a chance of rain. This is paused at 1:30 p.m. on Monday, which is Memorial Day, and kind of keep us with some unstable air into Tuesday. For now, it's hazy, it's hot, and it's still humid. We're talking heat index values around 99. Hazy skies still in the area because of that agriculture burning that takes place this time of year. Your heat index this afternoon around 101 in Corpus Christi. We do have about a 20% to 30% chance of rain overnight into Thursday morning. Then rain chances are basically slim to none over the weekend until we get into Monday and Tuesday. High temperatures are trending warmer. We're talking mid to low 90s for Saturday and Sunday. Barbie.